Hey guys, welcome to episode 21 of the PowerPlatform Digital Series. My name is Ron, and this month, given that it's December and it's the season of celebration here in Canada, we want to celebrate our customer success. And with me to talk about customer success this month is my good buddy Greg Dashwood. Greg, welcome.
Thank you, Ron. So, hello everyone, my name is Greg Dashwood. I lead the IoT and Advanced Analytics business for Microsoft Canada, and I'm very happy to be here today.
Terrific. And guys, the customer that we want to talk about this month is called McDonald Miller. And Greg, there's a really interesting Power Platform angle to the story, but just as importantly, there's a really interesting story around IoT and connected field service. So could you help us understand a little bit more about that part of the story?
Absolutely. So, let me give a bit of context on who McDonald Miller is before we get into that. So, they're a mechanical contractor based in the Pacific Northwest, and what they've really been focusing on in the last few years is how to take their service, which is basically looking after buildings, and take that to the next generation, to the digital transformation. And how they've done this is by incorporating a number of Microsoft technologies, including our IoT capabilities, but also some of our Power Platform and Dynamic capabilities as well. But what really comes down to is they're helping you monitor health of different things in your buildings. You've got your HVAC units, you've got air conditioning units, you've got heating units, you've got lighting systems, and all of these, unfortunately, from time to time, go wrong. So it's really important for them to help their tenants and their customers understand where there's issues and get those resolved. And that's where you need that technology underpinning that the IoT offering and Dynamic Platform offers to help turn that insight truly into action, into information that their field technicians can actually use. Now, the thing is, with any IoT solution, these are complex solutions, and they need a lot of players involved to make sure they're successful. As we saw last week in our event, IoT in Action, you need a real big ecosystem together and pulling in the same direction to make some of these things happen. So that's really important to consider if you're thinking about embarking on an IoT journey of your own as well.
Cool. Terrific. And guys, the thing that underpins a lot of this as well is the common data model that connects Dynamics 365, and then subsequently McDonald Miller also adopted O365 Power Apps, and that's where you start to really have this end-to-end solution that comes to life. So with that, thanks for watching. Enjoy the story. As always, let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you'd like us to cover in the future. So until the next episode, thanks so much for watching.
Thank you, guys.